We are pleased to show you the 2016 Buick Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, XM satellite radio, all-wheel drive, navigation system, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.